How to fix Facebook music story not showing up. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me go out through quick and easy on how you can fix Facebook story music not popping up. Well, if you generally open Facebook and head over to post this story, right? So once you head over to story, you can see music option, you'll be able to add music here. Now, it depends on what issue you're having, whether the musics are not loading up at all, or once you add the music, whether there is no any music once you open up the story and upload it. Well, in that case, first you want to check the volume button and make sure that your volume is enabled and that your story is not muted. The other thing is, if you're still having the music issue, you can proceed to head over to your App Store or Play Store and first update the application. Once you have done so, you can proceed to restart your device and then open up the application and check if the issue is fixed. If that doesn't help, you want to proceed to either reinstall the application, or if you're on Android, you can simply proceed to clear the data and cache of the app and re-log into your account, and that should help. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.